The jerk chicken have spicy, spicy, spicy. Spice of the taste so nice. I want to call him to come back twice. You know, that's a chef life. Oh my god. What did you put in that chicken? I need some more of your chicken. And then they'll be like, oh my god, you know, I can't give you more of my chicken. When do you want it? Yay! If I feel like going here, I'm not going to try it here. If I'm going to put my chicken here. Yeah, people. Big up everybody on the live. One spicy. Yeah, jerk chicken. Beef mac and cheese now go spicy. They say I love the jerk chicken. I've been to America. You like spicy food? I don't know me too. I go like spicy food. I went since I like spicy food. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my god, you can't wait to see my oxtail. Right. Alright. Alright. Alright, so like how sunset. Alright, so I want to depend live until I'm done. Alright. Like what I want to do that then. Let me move it faster. I have to go move it faster then, alright? Yeah. I move it faster. Swear. I go move it faster. Oxtail over mashed potato, that's nice. I mean, if that's nice, especially with enough gravy. My god. Oh, you love spice? Okay. Come on, you love spice. Oh my god. Nah. Hey, let's get about Texas. Be a Scotch wine. Some hot pepper come from Texas. Some hot. Some hot pepper come from the market. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I like spicy food too, man. I like coffee. You don't have to be too overwhelming spicy. Yeah, I like when it have spice and flavor. But you say for me, I don't know. I love spicy different. Oh my god. Yeah, peeps. I love spicy food. I really like it. Yeah, I love spicy salsa. I don't say I love pineapple salsa. I love salsa over. My name is salsa, I call my name. You understand? Yeah. Alright, I'll check out the oxtail. Pasta and finished with people. Pasta finished cooked. So yeah, I have Julian all-in character. Yeah, so now all-in character. I can't really chat to me. All them character. Some are going in shrimp, some are going in pasta, some are going in cocktail. Yay! Yeah, my peeps. So we have carrot fillet veg, we have a carrot fillet oxtail ready. We have all the way to and everything in each channel. Yeah? Alright, so we have a vegetable, we have a veg, we have a bok choy, we have a julienne carrot. Yeah. Oh, we have this one. So now, we want some green onion. Alright, so the pasta cooked. Look. So when I cook pasta, the pasta must be firm to the bite. And I understand the firm to the bite means? It means it will be al dente. Come on. Come on. So you see, pasta finish. See that? See, you take to do your pasta testing right in front of you. So you see, the pasta firm to the bite. Nice. Proper. That proper.